Welcome back to Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're drawing an awesome Chibi Spider-Man. First, let's draw Spider-Man's giant superhero head. Make a big round circle at the top. Wow, that already looks super cool. Now draw the big spider eyes. Make two curved almond shapes. They look like shiny superhero goggles. Awesome job. Next, let's add Spider-Man's web lines. Draw curved lines all around the mask like a spider web. Wiggle your hands slowly, webby webby whoosh. Time for the strong superhero arms. Now let's draw the big crouchy legs. Draw tiny fingers spread out like sticky spider hands. So cool! Make one leg bent forward and the other bent backward. Spider-Man looks ready to jump into action. Now we can draw the tiny body underneath. Make a small rounded body because this Spider-Man is extra cute in cartoon style. Now add the spider logo on his chest. Draw a tiny black spider right in the middle. It's Spider-Man's superhero symbol. Amazing work, artists! Now it's coloring time. Grab your bright red color first. Color the mask. Chest. Arms. And boots bright superhero red. Next, use blue for the legs and sides of the body. Wow! Spider-Man is really coming to life now. Leave the eyes nice and white so they shine bright like a real superhero mask. Your Spider-Man looks ready to swing through the city and save the day. Great job!